Good morning, dear students. Our next topic is temperature. The temperature is the measure of how hot or cold of an object. Means temperature is the measure of a hot or cold. A thermometer is the instrument used for measuring temperature. Temperature is measured in degrees and the symbols for degree is one small zero here, then that is right in the right side of the number. Then there are two types of temperature scales. There are two types of temperature scales, Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale and a Fahrenheit scale. The thermometer used to measure temperature in these two scales. First is the Celsius scale. The Celsius scale is marked from 0 degree to 100 degree. Listen how to write the degree. Then 0, then this small 0 is known as degree. 0 degree and 100 degree. Then listen 1 0 0. Then but this 0 is very small size. Then write in the upward. Then 0 degree to 100 degree. In Celsius scale is marked from 0 to 100 degree. Then the scale is read as degree Celsius. Degree Celsius. This 0 is known as degree. Then C is known as Celsius. 0 degree to 100 degree means degree Celsius. Next is the Fahrenheit thermometer. The Fahrenheit scale is marked from 0 degree to 220 degree. The scale is read as degree Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. Write in this way. Degree Fahrenheit. This one is known as degree Fahrenheit. Then Fahrenheit thermometer is 0 degree to 220 degree and Celsius thermometer is 0 degree to 100 degree. Listen, then degree Celsius, the C is write in the capital form, not in the small letters C A F. Write in the capital letter form. 32 degrees Celsius and 32 degree Fahrenheit. Here two thermometers are given, Celsius, degree Celsius and a Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale and a Fahrenheit scale. Here minus 30 to 300 is marked here, and here in Fahrenheit scale minus 20 to 220 is marked there. Then these two thermometers are filled with mercury. These two thermometers are filled with mercury. The mercury level is show that the temperature of the object. When the mercury level is raised there, then this point is show that the temperature level. Then in Celsius scale, 0 degree is the freezing point of water. That is water change into the ice form. Then 0 degree Celsius. Then the water is boiling. Then this point is come to the 100 place. This point comes to the 100. Mercury is come to this point, that is 100 point. Then it is the boiling point of the water. But in Fahrenheit scale, 32 degree Fahrenheit is the freezing point. Water becomes ice, that is 32 degree Fahrenheit, and the boiling point is 212 Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit is the boiling point of the water. Water freezing point in Celsius scale is 0 degree Celsius and boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. Freezing point 0 degree Celsius and boiling point is 100 degree Celsius. But in Fahrenheit, freezing point is 32 degree Fahrenheit and boiling point is 212 degree Fahrenheit. 212 degree Fahrenheit. Next, conversion of Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Celsius scale to Fahrenheit scale, that is Fahrenheit equal to Celsius into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Fahrenheit equal to, when Celsius degree is given, then we change into Fahrenheit. Celsius scale is changed into Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit equal to F equal to C into, means Celsius scale into 9 upon 5 plus 32, and Fahrenheit to Celsius scale. Fahrenheit is given, then we change into Celsius scale, that is C equal to, that is Celsius equal to F minus 32. Fahrenheit scale minus 32 into 5 upon 9. Here bracket is given. First you solve the bracket, then you multiplied by 5 upon 9. Then we goes to the exercise. Second question is convert each temperature in degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. That is 75 degrees Celsius is given. We will change into Fahrenheit scale. F equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. That is C is 75. Then into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Then we solve it. 75 and 5 cut here 15. Then 15 into 9, 135 plus 32 equal to 167 degree Fahrenheit. Same as 25 degrees Celsius. F equal to C into 9 into C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Then 25 into 9 upon 5. 5 and 25 is solved here. Then 5 into 9, 45 plus 32 equal to 77. Next question. Convert each temperature in degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Then here Fahrenheit is given. Formula is C equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. Then F is 68. 68 minus 32 equal to 36 into 5 upon 9. 36 and 9 solved here. Then 4 into 5 equal to 20 degree Celsius. Here one question. Read the temperature record on each thermometer. Lesson. Here 1. This one is the Celsius scale. You can see the Celsius is 20 degree Celsius. 20 degree Celsius. Here same as degree Celsius scale is given. Then where is the mercury point? That is 75 degree Celsius. 75 degree Celsius. Next is the Fahrenheit scale. You can see here mercury level is 55 degree Fahrenheit. Then next scale here 105 degree Fahrenheit. 105 degree Fahrenheit. Here filling the blanks is given. Thermometer is used to measure the temperature of object. Temperature of object. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit. The normal human body temperature is about 37 degrees Celsius and 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Next question. What is freezing point of water in degree Fahrenheit? That is freezing point of water in degrees Fahrenheit equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit. The next question. The minimum temperature recorded on a particular day in a town was 89 degree Fahrenheit. What will be in degrees Celsius? That is Fahrenheit is given. We will change the Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Fahrenheit equal to 89 degree Fahrenheit is changed into Celsius scale. C equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. F is 89. 89 minus 32 into 5 upon 9. 89 minus 32 is 57 into 5. 285 upon 9 is the answer is 31.666 etc. Then it is correct to one place 31.7 degree Celsius.